to a few brown kids. Today we are going to be doing some fabulous challenges and we are going to be teaching you how to do a bridge. First, I'm going to challenge Jordan to do a forward roll without her hands. So what's my challenge then? Your challenge is to do a forward roll without your hands. Ha ha. Let's do it then. We're just going to shade it. That's so annoying. She used her hands. Put your hands behind your back. Now it's her time to do it. I hurt my nose. Yes, haha, I did it. Now I challenge Gilbert to do shoulder stands. You shouldn't challenge people to something you can't do yourself. Now we are going to show you how to do a bridge. First, you are going to lay on your back. Then you place your hands flat on the ground next to your ears. Bring your legs in towards your bottom. Finally, push your body up, pushing down on your feet and hands. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe and like button.